But once the chakra threads are cut, there's no lasting harm to the person who is being controlled.
I thank you.
Kangoro. But as I stand before you now, I can't help but feel regret at the actions of my past.
Granny Chio? When are Mother and Father coming back?
They'll be gone a little bit longer. I felt that Sasori was too young to know about his parents' deaths. But Sasori was perceptive. He'd already figured out his parents were dead.
Granny Chio told me that your last puppet was a really big hit with everybody. Someday I want to be a shinobi everyone praises. Come on already! Answer me! Well, I guess I'm gonna have to wait until hell freezes over to get an answer out of you.
Everything she requested is complete.
So, your new creations, huh? Whoa. Wow, that's amazing. They look just like real human fingers. About that new one, she wanted me to ask you if you'd finished the recipe for the crow puppet's poison. I'm gonna need to ask permission about this. All right. I, Komoshi, will negotiate it. It's Komoshi.
What is it? Oh, did you relay my message to... Oh. Well, there's not much I can say without knowing the blending ratio.
And Sasori, you've got it made. I mean, you're still young, but you're already contributing to the village. My own parents still treat me like a kid. They keep telling me that I'm not suited to be a shinobi. I'm gonna be working border security from now on.
You don't have to go out on missions like that. I'll just take care of you for the rest of my life. How does that...
Thanks, Sasori.
I heard they said you were injured while on guard duty.
I feel stronger than ever before.
Oh, where is Sasori? What is the poison's blending ratio?
His legs, his body. You can even fix his soul. I know you can.
Komushi was my go-between with Sasori. But even more than that. Huh? What? Can't be. It's probably a coincidence.
I don't like to make people wait. From what I can see...
What? It's Komushi!
As requested, this model is done.
I'm the one who warped him. I'm sorry. Youngsters shouldn't act like smart Alex. And don't take the reanimation jutsu so lightly. Reverse secret white technique. Matsu's 10 puppet. Wires? No.
Sasori and his mother and father puppets. I recovered and repaired all of them.
A human who wanted to be a complete puppet. He said he was an unfinished puppet with a beating heart at its core.
Although, actually I can sense the souls of Sasori's mother and father inside of these puppets. Yeah, it must have gotten through to him. The cry that his parents' souls let out.
That's why you're a youngster. There are many things I'd like to atone for, but it's too late.
Puppets only Sasori could create. Their inner workings are unbelievably delicate, all the way down to the fingertips. And he entrusted all of it to me. Rather, he left it behind for future generations. Sasori, his mother and father, their family's thoughts and love. Their souls are crying out to me now.
I'm not going to take a photo to be put up as a decoration. Just so that people can say, oh, what a fine portrait at parties.
What are we gonna do with you?
Oh, what are you doing? Playing possum for real! For my secret puppet techniques. You'll learn by experiencing them.
Wait, hold on!
Secret white technique.
You said you didn't care about the future of the village and ignored me!
Well, I guess I was younger back then.
He did? But why? Why would he? Omoi! Come back, my comrade in arms!
Lord Raikage, sir, you dumb? You buy this crap about him deserting?
Huh? Karui. But still, deserting under enemy fire is a serious offense in the Hidden Cloud. And so...
I saw that when he heard that, Omoi went pale.
We received their call for reinforcements 4 hours ago. We haven't heard from them since.
It's entirely possible that battlefield is where Omoi is heading.
why is Omoi so eager to help?
We received another troubling message, too. A supply unit that was traveling on the road. The Hidden Cloud's Thundercloud unit.
What did you say?
Thundercloud unit?
We decided that they were ready to go to war, so I assigned them to work with the supply unit.
I want to know if that unit is alive.
White Zetsu has overrun the area.
Hey, those kids are still alive.
Damn it! Omoi, what are you doing?
Omoi!
Sorry I ran off, everyone. Later.
Hey, Omoi! Come back here!
It's no good. He's not answering me.
Lord Raikage, I'm so sorry about this.
Kakashi, Guy, Lee, Sai. You can handle things there without Omoi for about an hour, can't you?
Just leave it to us.
I will fight 100 times harder!
You do that.
You heard them.
I guess it's all up to you now.
But still, Omoi's all by himself.
But at least he's headed in that direction. He's quite a ways away, though.
Notify Naruto!
But what if instead of 1 hour, it takes me 3 hours? Then he might say, go back to the village. The hidden mist.
Just one of you? You can't stop us!
Damn you!
Naruto Uzumaki! At your service to help out!
Wait, you're that...
Rasen Rampage! I don't quite get what's going on, but I do believe what you said.
Huh?
If those kids are still alive...
Come on! No! It was just an accident! I got this. These guys aren't that good. I can definitely handle them alone. Those kids are alive out there somewhere. If I get it done in 2 hours, maybe Lord Raikage will give me a break and still name me as the next Raikage. What is this? There. They're inside. They're definitely alive.
Not good. He'll locate us soon.
They'll figure out we're here sooner or later. And we're running out of air.
We weren't ready. If we're just stuck waiting to die, let's go out with a bang together.
That's it. I've reached my limit.
You came, Omoi.
Lightning style coordinated thunder bomb! This red soil is saturated with moisture, so it conducts really well, which makes the lightning style power off the charts. I used up my chakra.
Big Brother Omoi, just give us a chance to show you what we can do now.
But I think it's about time they started showing off. These guys have come of age in a major way.
Thank you.